Hello everyone, I am Mr. Sushant Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today we are going to learn projection of Pentagonal Prism. Let's begin with our learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students will be able to draw projection of regular pentagonal prism as per given condition. Let's move ahead with our example. Question: a pentagonal based prism with base side 25 mm and axis 80 mm long initially rests on HP on one of its corners of the base. The longer edge passing through the corner makes 40° with HP and opposite side to the same corner makes 30° with the VP. Draw its projection. Now everyone make a note of it and we will move ahead for first stage, that is writing the given data. Our object is pentagonal prism, which will be look like this. The base and top base are both look like a pentagon whose base side is 25 mm and axis height or height of the prism is 80 mm. Then which are the conditions given in the example? First condition is longer edge passing through corner. That means corner point should be on right side of below XY line, and longer edge inclination with HP is 40°. Next, opposite side to the corner inclination with VP is 30°. Let's move ahead for solution. First we draw XY line, then we will draw 25 mm pentagon. First, if you observe the 25 mm pentagon we draw, that is perpendicular to XY line at a certain distance, and we will take certain angle, that is 105° for interior angle of a pentagon, and we will mark a lines, and then we will mark by using 25 mm in our compass. We mark one leg on previous point and then we mark the next points. Similarly, we will get a pentagon that we already learned in projection of planes. Let's move ahead with the giving the naming to the bottom base of a pentagon prism. So A, B, C, D, E are the bottom numbering for the base of a pentagonal prism. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the numbering for top base of a pentagonal prism. Next we will take a projectors perpendicular to XY line. Then we mark that bottom base as a point A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash and D dash. If you look at this particular drawing, you will observe there is only one point, that is D dash, because in second stage it will make an angle. Okay, so corner makes an angle, so slant edge of a prism will makes an angle. For that purpose, D dash will be only one corner point, while A dash, B dash is a side. Okay, so it will contain the face. Now we take a 80 mm size and we will draw our rectangle, because our prism will be look like a rectangle and it will having a axis. Then we will mark 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash on same projector lines from the pentagon, which is from a top view. Now we will move ahead with a second stage. That means we are moving ahead to draw a third view, and for that purpose we are redrawing the second view. Okay, not a first view. We are redrawing the second view because D dash 4 dash makes an angle 40° with XY line, and we redraw our pentagonal prism same as our second view. If you observe properly, we will take the dimensions in our compass and we will mark those dimensions and we will redraw it same rectangular prism here. If you observe, the observer is from top, he will observe a third view, and now we will take the projector from each point and those are going downward or below XY line for drawing a shrinked pentagonal prism, and for that purpose we again take projectors from first view of a pentagon. Those are intersecting each other. We will learn the same intersection points will get the numbering. So if you observe, it is a look like a shrinked pentagonal prism. We are going to join outer boundary of a pentagonal prism, that is A1 B1, B1 C1, C1 3 1, 4 1 5 1, 5 1 E1. Then if we observe from arrow mark these points, that is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 5 dash and 4 dash, that is nothing but top base of a pentagon. So that is visualizing from that top arrow. So that we have to draw a dark lines for the top base of a pentagonal prism, that is 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1. Those are joined by dark lines. Let's move ahead that we will observe A1 A dash to 1 dash from same arrow mark and B dash to 2 dash from same arrow mark. So if you observe from top, we will easily observing those slant edges, so that A1 to 1 1 will be a dark line, B1 to 2 1 will be a dark line. Let's move ahead with the hidden lines now. So first we mark hidden lines. The marked hidden lines are E1 D1, C1 E1, D1 4 1. Okay, so these are not visualized from the top arrow mark and from the top view also. So we will mark it as a hidden lines, that is mentioned by dash line. Now in final stage, that means in a stir stage of our example, we will take a same fourth view. We are redrawing, and as we know, the base, if you observe, our base is nothing but A1 B1. If you observe here, A1 B1 is the same size of A and B because it is perpendicular to XY line. So here our A1 B1 side is not shrinked one, it is the same size of 25. So we will directly mark A1 B1 30-degree angle, and we redraw the regular pentagonal prism of a fourth view in a fifth view, and we will give numbering to the top base 1 1 dash 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 and A1 B1 C1 D1 E1. That is, our fifth view is completed. Now we move ahead for our final view. For that purpose we will take the projections from below XY line and we will take projections from our third view, that is in a front view which is available. So the observer is placed now bottom of the final view. Okay, we take the projection lines and then we will take the projection lines from third view also. Okay, so we will mark our points 1 1 dash 2 1 dash 3 1 dash 4 1 dash and 5 1 dash. Similarly, the points at the bottom base of the our pentagon A1 dash B1 dash C1 dash D1 dash and E1 dash, and we will draw our final view of a pentagonal prism. It will be look like a similar to the our fifth view, but here also there are some of the hidden things. So First, we will drawing the final view. Remember, we complete the boundary of a particular diagram. That means we will draw first B1, C1, D1, E1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 to B1 dash. Okay, so these dash points we will join first. Then which are the things we are visible here? 3, 1, C1 is visible. So 3, 1, C1 is a dark line again. Then if you observe, there is a 4, 1 and D1 is also visible from the bottom view. So it is also a dark line. While A1, 1, 1 dash to 1, 1 dash is our hidden line. A1 dash to B1 dash is a hidden line. A1 dash to E1 dash is a hidden line. These are some references. Thank you.